Here's a guide to manual exploitation with Python code examples on Kali Linux, incorporating explanations. Understanding manual exploitation. Direct interaction with target systems involves crafting custom payloads, sending data, and analyzing responses without relying on automated frameworks. Deeper understanding of vulnerabilities requires a grasp of programming, networking, and system internals to construct exploits. Greater control and flexibility allows for fine-tuning exploits, adapting to unique scenarios, and bypassing security measures. Steps and code examples. 1. Reconnaissance and vulnerability identification. Research the target system using tools like Nmap, Nikto, and search engines. Identify potential vulnerabilities through vulnerability databases and security advisories. 2. Python setup. Install necessary libraries, e.g., requests, socket, PWN tools, using pip. 3. Crafting payloads. Example: buffer overflow exploit using PWN tools. Python. From own import. Buffer _overflow _payload equals b, a, asterisk 100 hash overflow the buffer. Shellcode equals b, x31, xc0, x50, x68, x2f, x2f, x73, x68, x68, x2f, x62, x69, x6e, x89, xe3, x50, x89, xe2, x53, x89, xe1, xb0, x0b, xcd, x80, hash inject shellcode. Exploit equals buffer _overflow _payload plus shellcode. 4. Sending payloads. Example: exploiting a vulnerable web server. Python. Import requests. URL equals link to vulnerable-server.com plus exploit. Response equals requests link to .get URL. If response status _code equals 200, print exploit successful. 5. Gaining access. Successful exploitation might grant a shell access to sensitive data or other outcomes. 6. Post-exploitation. Gather further information, maintain access, or escalate privileges using Python for tasks like file system navigation. Process manipulation. Network interaction. Additional considerations. Ethical conduct. Use manual exploitation for authorized security testing and research purposes only. Legal implications. Unauthorized exploitation can have serious legal consequences. Payload customization. Tailor payloads to specific vulnerabilities and target systems. Debugging and troubleshooting. Refine exploits through careful analysis and error correction. Advanced techniques. Explore techniques like fuzzing, reverse engineering, and encryption bypass for complex scenarios. Remember, manual exploitation requires deep technical knowledge and careful execution. Practice responsibly and prioritize ethical considerations.